This is a great question for anyone who is new to reselling or wants to sell items online. The answer to this is yes. You have to give Poshmark, Etsy, Mercari, Tradesy, Grailed, whatever platform you're going to sell on, they have to have your driver's license number along with banking information, because they have to be able to give you your payouts, but they also have to make sure that you are taxed appropriately at the end of the year. So the way it works is you put an item up for sale on one of these platforms, let's say Poshmark. So Poshmark lets you post for free on their site, correct? So then you sell it. So the buyer pays Poshmark. Poshmark charges the buyer state sales tax, and Poshmark then pays that state sales tax to the appropriate state. Poshmark then takes their commission out of the fee that you charge for the item, and then Poshmark pays you the remaining balance for that item. So there are lots of pieces to the pie there when you sell one item, and they have to track legally who got what piece of the pie. So they know that all of their bases are covered, and then they'll send you a 1099K. Once you hit the $600 mark for the year, you're in that bucket. So it's kind of like you're an independent contractor-ish. And so they have to make sure that they're giving you the right documentation at the end of the year. And also you want to get paid. I suggest that if you are a reseller, you have a separate bank account, and the only transactions that happen in that account are the ones that have to do with reselling. Whether you're purchasing items for your business, purchasing inventory, purchasing things to store items in, your labels, your printer, all the things that I have in my Amazon store, anything like that. Therefore, at the end of the year, you've got some real cut and dry. It's real cut and dry when you go to look at it. You'll be able to say, all of this money was definitely attributed to reselling, and it'll help you a lot in your taxes. So hope that helps. Hope y'all all have a good time out reselling this weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.